how to use have and has. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to use two very important words like have and has. These words help us talk about things that belong to someone or things that someone does. Let's get started. Number one, when do we use have? We use have when we talk about I, you, we, and they. For example, I have a new pack bag. You have a dog. We have fun games to play. There are lots of toys. Number two, when do we use has? We use has when we talk about he, she, or it. For example, he has a blue bicycle. She has long hair. It has a red ribbon. Let's test your knowledge. Now it's your turn. I will say a sentence and you tell me if we should use have or has. Ready? They bring 3 cats. 3, 2, 1. The answer is have because they means more than one. C. Blank a cute doll. 3, 2, 1. Answer. The answer is has because she is only one person. I blank a big sandwich for once. 3, 2, 1. Answer. The answer is have because we always say I have. What's up everyone? Now you know when to use have and has. Remember to practice using them in your sentence. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!